Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart.
We're Bubbles,
Can't forget Bubbles.
because I won't let you.
No doubt.
Welcome back to the Wind Chime Extravaganza.
Is that what it is?
Absolutely it is.
Are we ever going to get to a wind chime or what?
Yeah, but this is the work you got to put in if you do a project.
Oh, I just like all the work done already so I can put it together.
It's not going to happen, Don. Sorry, but
Okay, do it the hard way. I like the ones where you just go,
if you want something
it's done.
cool,
yeah,
you got to put the work in.
right. Fair enough.
It doesn't just magically, put it all together and
Fair enough.
it's done. This is the journey you take.
So, what are we doing?
So, what we're going to do is swipe marble rolls.
That's right, I remember now.
Because I think it can
Swipe
be
marble
done.
rolls.
Yep. I reckon it can be done really well.
Marble rolls on a CD.
Yep.
Okie dokie. That's only a little dude.
Yeah, it is.
What are they, like that big? How big's the actual CD?
I think it's like a 4-inch it looks.
I've never
to me.
really measured one before.
No.
I might do that right now.
Alright, but what I was sort of thinking was it reminded me sort of like your 4-inch tile but in a round.
Yeah, no, I'm not feeling a 4-inch, man.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
While he's walked away I can go, well maybe 4.5. Very picky, very precise.
120mm.
Try living with it. He'll be back in a minute. And here he comes. Yep, I can
Alright.
hear the feet. There we go.
Yeah, whatever. It's because I'm wearing my Crocs and my feet are wet. Listen. Isn't that annoying?
No, not really.
It is for me. Anywho,
Fair
yeah,
enough.
they're 120mm in diameter, which is something.
How did that even help your cause?
Well, it's,
No?
almost 5-inch.
Yeah, so. There you go, guys. Almost 5-inch.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm thinking we need a bit of this colour. Because that's really a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Look at that. Isn't that lush?
It is.
It's one of my new faves.
I like that colour.
I'm broadening out, see?
Okay.
You notice I'm getting all different colours coming into my palettes.
You're going with a bit of brightness.
Yeah, I'm just going for a bit different. Because I just think sometimes you do, you get so caught up in, I
Blue.
love blue. Or like my reds and oranges and coppers, they're pretty cool too.
They are.
But, just saying, it's good to branch out, go different.
I like pink.
You love pink. See, that's where you need to branch out.
I do.
More green.
I make them colour shift pinks. So they swap different colours. But
Actually, you
pink.
have done a pink with a green in it too, haven't you?
I have. I've got
See?
one that goes from pink to blue, pink to violet, pink to green, pink to silver, pink to red. Oh, what's the other one? Something. Pink to gold.
I reckon that's looking like a pretty cool palette, As soon as I pop them pesky bubbles, you see them looking at me?
They're looking at you. They've got a smile on their face.
They're
Look at them.
taunting me.
They're taunting.
I keep knocking that with my boobs, so
Oh dear.
kept leaning into it.
That's what happens when you get to your age, darling.
Oof. Right. So, ignoring Wombat. We're up to our swipe. And still ignoring Wombat, so
No, I just got a mental picture, that's all.
yeah, that's not good. Sure.
Oranges in tube socks.
Alright. Now I think I'll go this way first.
Okay. Well, that's funky.
Alright. We'll let it do its little sinky thingy. It's going to react. Well, not sinky thingy. It's more a reaction.
Well, yeah, sort of, kind of. It's more... What's the term? Surface tension.
Yeah.
Top colour separates,
Yeah.
so you can see the stuff underneath it. It's like when you have oil floating on top of a container and you put dishwashing liquid in it.
Yeah.
Changes the surface tension. You watch it go. Choom, choom. Cell City.
That's looking pretty cool, dude.
That is super cool. I love
They're
it.
going to open up to cool ghosties down the bottom if I don't decide to go through them. Now, your suggestion here.
I've
Do I
always got
marble
suggestions.
roll it before the spin or after?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're left with dry trenches
Alright.
and you're going to be all upset. And that
I'm
would
going
be
to
no
carefully
good.
go like this and get them hard edges there.
Oh, look at it. Look at it. Nice. Nice. Got to miss the hole. Nice.
I didn't want to get it all up that one end because see the way it was rocking on me,
Yep.
and I would have ended up with all that really cool pattern over here where I knew it was going to spin off if I didn't manipulate it back the other way.
Yeah.
Alright. Now. That's quite cool to do actually.
It's fun, isn't it?
It is. I just realised I stuck it right in that puddle.
Lucky you saved it back up.
Yeah.
Who did? Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, no, it wouldn't be me.
No.
Alright.
Bubbles does no prep work.
Oh, certain things I do. Just not on these projects, that's your job.
No, right. That looks cool as. Look at it.
I'm going to lose all that stuff off the side there.
Yep.
Yeah, that's one thing to keep in mind too.
Yep. You got to be mindful where you swipe. And you got to remember
Yeah.
too, there's going to be a hole in the middle of it.
Yeah. So I'm wondering, do I want to go in with the skewer again now?
Why not? Skewer it up now before we totally spin it right out.
I want to change it right up.
Yeah. That's not what I expected you to do, but whatever.
See how that goes. Yes, that's pretty cool. I'm digging that.
You digging it?
Yeah, look at that.
That's trippy as.
And they're opening up just that little bit more. Alright, we'll do our... one last bubble popping. One last spinneroo. I think that's pretty darn cool.
That is
I
super
like
cool.
that bit there too. Alright.
With ghosty cells.
Yeah, that actually worked better than I anticipated.
It actually looked really cool, just a cell activator swipe across it.
I love where that purple meets the aqua. I see that in the cell there. That's really cool, huh?
I like that.
Now that was fun.
Loads of fun. I like it.
Tell you what, and it's very difficult because you don't have much time on something this size to think where you're going to roll your marble once you start.
No, you got to sort of pre-plan it, don't you?
Yeah, because otherwise, like, as I said, if I'd have left that the way it was going to roll, it would have ended up all spinning off the side, the whole pattern.
Yeah.
So that's one I think will take practice to master too, to be honest,
I
because
reckon-
it's smaller.
Yeah. It's like doing a marble roll on a 4-inch tile.
Yeah, like the bigger you get, the easier it is to actually do a marble roll.
Absolutely.
Like you hit one of those 20-inch rounds you do,
Yeah.
and that's where the fun starts.
Yeah, you can go all over the place.
Yeah. But no, I'm happy with that. I hope,
That's super cool.
hope that flyover reel's showing off this bit because I really, really dig it. Just saying.
I love it.
Alrighty, Wombat. Well, I think we'll pause here and come back to you.
Sounds like a plan.
I love that. That's cool. Ready to get your marble rolling, Wombat?
Sounds like a plan to me. I quite like marbles.
Who doesn't?
I know. Go figure.
Definitely harder the smaller you get, though. I reckon.
For sure.
It definitely is. I'm sort of going, oh, oh, back, left.
How's it go?
But you know what's worse, though? You don't have a lot of thinking time.
No, you don't.
It's something that you've got to be able to react quick.
You do.
Not always so easy.
No.
Oh, you're going to go different, aren't you?
Don't I always?
Yes, you do.
Because, you know, why not?
You do know I'm roping you into another project after this one, don't you?
Okay.
Just to be sure that you know this isn't the end of it once the wind chime's done.
Right.
I've got things we need to make.
Is that so?
I've got to get them out of my head. They've been sitting there for so long. They need to be released.
Right.
And I figure roping you in, quicker to get them all done then.
Fair enough. I'll go along with that.
Yeah, I knew you would.
Yeah. Why not? Why not indeed?
Absolutely knew you would. You like a good art adventure.
I do.
Don't you love that orange?
I do love that orange.
It's like mosh
It is like mosh.
with a wombat twist.
With a wombat twist. Because, you know, can't help myself.
That's the fun of art, though. You
It
don't
is.
have to help yourself.
No.
Just let it go and have fun.
For sure. Right. Pink that turns blue.
That's a cool colour, that, actually.
Right. There we go.
Okay.
Do. Bump.
It's Pro Heart DVD.
Yes. Everyone loves it. Good splatter colour.
Ah, you're going to radial swipe it. Smart. That'll actually look really cool with the marble roll. We've done them before, haven't we?
We have. So we'll let that just do its thing for a minute.
Oh, absolutely, because it's going to be absolutely beautiful under there coming through. When it does its thing. And this is the thing too. This is where you got to have patience.
You do got to have patience.
Just distract yourself, make you do something different, like Wombat's doing now.
Yeah. Scrape up some paint, go make a coffee, take the dog for a walk.
Absolutely.
Whatever, it's entirely up to you. Whatever floats your boat.
I did teach you patience with radials, didn't I?
You did. Apparently.
You're still looking at it though, aren't you? I can see you looking at it.
You know, because it's all good. See? That dark bit, all you do is...
Manipulate your paint around
Yeah.
and spin off easier.
Take it for a little wander. Not that it really matters, because...
You're about to marble roll it. Oh, look at him go, folks. Avoiding that centre. Go, Wombat. You got this. Oh, is that going to be a heart? That's super cute if it is. Don't cross the streams. Yeah, cool. Ah, that's going to be my favourite one. I just know it.
Right.
That's clever. That was really good control there.
I've had a bit of practice with heavy balls. Kaylene. Well, my ball's steel.
This is not getting any better for you
No.
right now.
Right.
You just got him deeper, didn't you?
Yeah, so my ball bearing is actually a real heavy ball bearing. Steel one.
See, me and that one don't mix. I managed to keep it on the piece for about 4 seconds. Chung. That's super cool. Oh, I love that. That's awesome, Wombat. Oh, that's got to go at the top. That one's going at the top of the wind chime.
Woo! Trippy little marble. Oh, gee, they're slippery when they're gooey.
It's twice today you've twitched my freckle nearly dropping these things.
Mate, that was so super bloody close.
You gotta be careful if you get it under the lip, eh? It's slippery as hell. That's a good warning, actually.
That's super slippery. So yeah, if you're picking these up,
Be careful.
just be mindful, because when there's paint underneath it, they are super slippery. That's for sure. Alright, we'll do a fly over that one.
That's gorgeous. I absolutely love that.
Super cool, lots of fun. And that's the beauty of these.
Oh,
It's
look at
like when
those.
you're doing tiles, right?
Yeah.
You can knock out a whole heap in no time. So you can try different things while you've got all your paints out and really have a decent bit of fun with it.
And like the space these take up compared to a 10 by 12 canvas.
That's
or
it. They take up no
60,
drying
yeah.
space. They use bugger all paint really to do its thing. So
You could do a wind chime or a hanging mobile.
yeah,
That'd look really cool in anyone's art room.
for sure. Rightio. That is it for us again this week.
Damn, I love that one.
So if you've liked that, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell.
Ding ding.
That way you get to see all this crazy stuff as we release it.
Come have some fun.
For sure.
Might learn something new you can make with your art.
And if you've missed the previous ones of these that we've done, there'll be a link in the description with a playlist of number 1, number 2, number 3,
Yep. The
etc.
collection to making the
So
wind
that way you've got
chime.
the whole collection to make an entire wind chime at the end of it.
Absolutely.
Rightio. Have fun. Take care. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Have a fantastic day, everyone. Thank you for watching. Go get messy.